Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and I wish you a very happy weekend in advance. And today I'm going to discuss Algorand and its token Algo, and conduct three price forecast using AI technique ARIMA, which stands for Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average. And I will be considering monthly average price, and the three scenarios that I'm going to discuss is with the base forecast from the AI model, the forecast which considers a bullish macroeconomic conditions, and the last one which considers a recession as a macroeconomic condition for and forecast Algorand's token algo price in all three scenarios. And let's get started. The chart on your screen is the base forecast using ARIMA technique, and the scale is at a monthly average price level. So you can see the color code on your screen diverges from deep red to white to green, and from deep green to again to deep red, and now it's at deep green again. So these color codes are based on the z-score, which is the difference between uh, the the current month price and the average price for the entire series of algo token, and divided by the standard deviation. So I'll explain with an example. For example, in June of 2019, when the price was 1.7 USD, the z-score was 2.1, and that's why the color code is red. So the higher the positive z-score, the redder the color, and the higher the negative z-score, the greener the color. So over here, as the price is 1.7, and the average price for this entire series is about 64 cents, and the standard deviation is about 50 cents. So that's why, so when the price is 1.75 USD, then that is almost 1.10 US dollar, $1.10 above the average price, and the difference of 1.10 can be denoted as, in terms of 50 cents, which is the standard deviation. It is 2.2 2.17 times of the standard deviation, which is 50 cents. So if you multiply 50 cents by 2.1, you will get the value of 1.10, which is again that's the exact amount by which the token is away from its average trading price. So this is the case when the token is kind of in has a higher z-score. That means it is kind of overvalued compared to the rest of its price action. Similarly, I'll show you one more example. In May of 2020, the price was 20 cents. The z-score was negative 85, because as you know, the average is 64 cents, and that is 44 cents. The current price is 44 cents lower than the average price, and if you denote 44 cents in terms of 50 cents, which is the standard deviation, you will get 85%. That is 0.85 times to the down, to the negative side, in terms of standard deviation. So where are we currently? Currently we are at the last month, which is close, was April of 2023, sorry, and the price was about 20 cents, and that is again fairly similar to the lows in May or March of 2020. The price is at an average level. It is the average monthly price is kind of similar to the price action during the 2020 crash, and the price is again 0.85 to the negative side. The z-score is 0.85. That's why the color is deep green. And if you have been following the AI forecast series for the altcoins, and if you do like a comparative color code for other cryptos at the similar time, you'll find that some of them are deep green, some are like slightly uh, red or off white in color, but none of them is like in deep red color at this time period, which is April of 2023, because we are not in a bull market right now for crypto and other risk assets in general. So let's continue with the forecast, the actual forecast. The base model has forecasted, as you can see, that the AI model has forecasted uh, further continued decline in price for this algo token. And this is not financial advice, it is just a data science exercise using historical data and AI model as an input to forecast the output. So with that in mind, you can see the trajectory is kind of downward, and that is because we since November of 2021 we are uh, consistently, this token is making consistently lower lows at an average price level. So for month of May of 2023, the forecasted average price is 16 cents, which is about 4 cents lower than the past monthly average. For the month of June, the forecast is about 13 cents. For July, again 13 cents. For August, 13 cents, little over 13 cents. uh, for September, again 13.8 cents. October, 13.6 cents. November, 13 cent, exact 13 cents. December, 11 cents. And January, 11.6 cents. So that's the trajectory. The total decline is less than 50%, which is from 20 cents to the lows is about 11 cents. So it is uh, technically less, or around 45% decline from where we are is forecasted by AI, which if you compare with other altcoins that this AI model has been used to compare, in the playlist that I will attach to the end of this video, you can find that it is even though it's a decline, it's not as steep of a decline as for some of the cases where it's around 60-65%. So this is the base forecast. Again, the range is from 16 cents to 11 cents. The current monthly average price is around 20 cents. Moving to the bullish forecast. So these are created by using base AI model as an input, as well as a z-score, historical z-score, and one standard deviation, and normal distribution of historical z-score applied to the forecast series. So that's how these prices are calculated. So for if, let's say, and the assumption is that the market has a bias towards the bullish side, and the macroeconomic conditions favor uh, crypto and other risk assets in general. So in that scenario, um, the forecast for month of May is about 26 cents, which is 6 cents over the last month's price. In June, the forecast is about 24 cents, July 25 cents, August 33 cents, which is almost 13 cents, as in like 65% higher than where we are currently. In September, it's 28 cents. In October, 26 cents. In November, 25 cents. In December, 24 cents. So the trajectory is a crash till June, and then the rally till August, and then again followed by a crash till December, and then again rallies back in January to about 31 cents. So that's the bullish scenario, or the bullish forecast using AI. Again, not financial advice. This is just how the series would forecast, could be forecasted using historical data. Um, the last forecast that I would like to share is in a scenario of recession, and this assumes that we get a recession in the month of May itself. That's why if and when we get a recession, these timelines might might only realize when the actual recession date is considered, or is released. So in that scenario, let's assume May as, instead of May, we'll call it as month 1. In the first month of recession, the price is forecasted to go to about 14 cents, which is 6 cents from below, or 30% lower than where we are currently. In the second month, the price forecasted is 11 cents, about 9 cents lower than current price, which is kind of the lowest price which was forecasted in the base scenario. In the third month, the price forecast is 10 cents, which is 50% uh, down from where we are currently at. In the fourth month, it is 8 cents, 60% lower uh, from current price position. In sixth month, the the price forecasted is 10 cents. In seventh month, again 10 cents. In eighth month, uh, 9 cents, and in ninth month 7 cents, and in 10th month 6 cents. So let's go over it again. For the ranges from 14 cents to 6 cents in case we get a recession. So that's the range, forecast range for Algorand in that scenario. So these are all the forecasts that I wanted to share with you, and none of this is again financial advice. But if you like this forecast, if you found the exercise of use of AI to forecast the price action in all three market conditions, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel, so, and I will keep on making more altcoin and other crypto based forecast using AI again, and machine learning. So stay tuned for those as well. I hope you have a really nice weekend ahead. Bye bye. I'll see you later.